For Science and Art class today, we are continuing with my Healthy Habits series, and in today's class, we are learning why it's so important to use a tissue. Let's go! Achoo! What a sneeze! Want a tissue? Tissues like this are made from soft paper. They are a hygiene tool. We cough and sneeze into tissues. We also use them to blow our nose. Tissues trap body fluids. These include spit and mucus. Do you carry tissues with you at school? Let me know down below. Body fluids contain germs. Germs make people sick, like him. Without tissues, germs would spread faster. They'd land on our hands, they'd fill the air. What do you say when someone sneezes? You better say, bless you. Let's say you feel a sneeze coming. What do? Raise a tissue to your mouth and nose. It's like raising a shield, like him. Tissues block germs. Handkerchiefs do too. But then people wash them so that they can keep them, like her. Tissues are different. People don't save them. Then germs have less time to spread. Never reuse the same tissue. Throw it away. Then wash your hands. Scrub for at least 20 seconds. Play it safe. Always carry clean tissue with you. Using tissues keeps us healthy. What are some of your healthy habits? Let me know down below. Now it's time to go through some new words we learned in today's book. The first word is fluids, which are the liquids with no fixed shape. Germs are tiny organisms that often cause disease. Handkerchiefs are squares of cotton cloth people use to wipe or blow their nose. Hygiene is keeping yourself clean or other actions that support good health. Mucus is a sticky fluid produced by our nose and throat. And finally, a shield is a piece of armor used for protection. Now it's your turn. What do you think about using tissues? Let me know down below. And also share with me some reasons why you think it's important. Take some time to think about it, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson for some more learning fun. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.